it's time for Christmas. Oh, it's time for us. Oh, it's time for Christmas. Don't you know? Oh, it's time for Christmas. Oh, it's time for us. Oh, it's time for Christmas. Don't you know?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it is finally the Christmas time. Even before Thanksgiving we were ready to go, but now like it is acceptable. Everyone is in the holiday spirit and joy, and I'm going to show you guys how you can decorate your dorm room on a budget this holiday season, because especially if you're not living in your dorm or apartment over the holidays, you're going home, you don't want to spend too much money if you're not going to be here on Christmas to enjoy it. But as Skylar said, how can you be in a bad mood during finals if there's a Christmas tree in your room? You can't. This is how we decorated our room. This is going to show us going to Target, a haul, how I decorate, all of the decorations. Like, this is just a big compiled video of what we've done, and hopefully you can get some inspiration from it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so now we are going to do the haul portion. So this is actually an unboxing from Target because I got a red card. I could only use the red card online, so that's why I ordered everything online. Oh, by the way, this is Skylar.
I'm the roommate.
She's the roommate. I don't know if you've been formally introduced on this channel. I think you've been in vlogs.
Yeah.
So we got a little tree, which is going to be opened soon, but oh, I didn't know they were from the Hearth and Hand collection. They're from the Magnolia Joanna Gaines collection. Love Joanna. Lives at Target now.
It is the tree skirt.
We have the tree skirt. We have the tree ornaments.
This is all kind of like leading up to the grand finale of the tree.
The tree. I'm so excited. Okay, let's open up the big box. We have our tree. You want to open it up?
Yes.
I'm so excited for this pillow. I've been thinking about it every day. I sit on this couch and I'm just like, I can't wait till we have a little Christmas pillow. A Christmas pillow. It says Merry Christmas. Colors I think are so pretty, and the back is red. What? What? that was crazy. Wow, it's fluffed and everything. It's done.
I wasn't ready for that.
I wasn't either. We'll have to put our fairy lights on.
Oh, did you know?
Then I may return these. I couldn't really tell online how they would look, but they're
ginormous.
They are. They're maybe a little overpowering for our little tree. They're kind of spiky, but they're these like star ornaments. All of our ornaments are so big for this little tree. And then, oh, here's my beautiful advent calendar. I thought, what if we, like, I don't know what we want to put in it. Maybe some candy. Oh, it comes with like a little Santa hat that you can put in it. That'd be cute. Gold and white, and it's, yeah. It was like the fanciest looking advent calendar that I saw Target have. They like a lot of candy ones, but this one's like a...
We can... Since we're here 6 days in December, we can take turns and we can do things for each other.
Oh, that'd be so cute. Okay. Oh, wait, you have one more thing.
Oh, yes. These?
I like how you're just holding the candy the whole time.
These are a housewarming. We've been here for a while.
Thank you, Skylar's grandmother.
Yes, thank you, Granny. We got some single cup ciders, so some apple cider for the K-cup. I mean,
for the Keurig.
For the Keurig, some K-cups for the Keurig.
I'm gonna make some right now and have some leftovers.
Yes, I wish we had. We need to buy cinnamon sticks.
Me too.
Thank you, Granny.
Now it's time to set it all up.
Side note, I have a YouTube channel.
She does.
Anyway,
Skylar and I on YouTube. Check it out. She's about
Hannah
to
will link us.
I'll link it.
I'll double check to make sure she links it. Yeah, so
check them out. Skylar's legit reaction.
Beautiful.
Here's our little tree. It does not look as good on camera as it does in real life, guys. It looks much better in real life. So we got a very tiny Christmas tree for our dorm. This is just the one we decided on. But at Whole Foods today, I actually saw real trees that were just a little bit bigger than this, probably like 3 feet tall. And so if you are going to be staying in your apartment over Christmas or something like that and you want something a little bit more real, and it kind of has a rustic feel because we have magnolia, the Joanna Gaines collection ornaments, and mini gold pine cones. And then we just wrapped some fairy lights around it, which work perfectly, especially if you're putting it in the middle of your room, because it's on a battery instead of having to be plugged in, and so you don't have to have a wire going around your room. And then we got a little tree skirt, and it's just on our coffee table. And then I just got this pillow to spruce up our couch. This is our normal throw blanket we have on here, and then just switching out pillows on your couch for holidays and seasons is a simple way to change up the look of your furniture. I love this little section over here. I've also been changing it up for the seasons. In the fall I had pumpkins, and I had a little fall quote on my broken letterboard. This is a great investment actually, and a great Christmas gift because it can be for any season. So I wrote merry and bright for Christmas. I'll put a cute New Year's quote, cute Valentine's Day quote. And I love mugs, guys. We love mugs in general, but it's so nice to have holiday ones. So again, you could have one for Halloween, for Thanksgiving. This one is from Anthropology, and I love the red inside, and I think it's just so pretty. And you can use it, of course, but they also make great decoration to have out through the holiday season. And then this is my Young Living essential oil diffuser. This just adds an ambiance because we can't have candles in our dorms, but they have a Young Living Christmas spirit scent, and this lights up to be different colors. So I'm gonna put some Christmas spirit in it, put it on a green or red color, and you have a little decoration in itself, and again, which you can use all year round. So it's a good investment. I'll link products below. It's always good to check out the Target dollar section for dorm room stuff because usually it's dorm room sized, meaning really little things. And so I got this like sparkly snow on wreath, and I got this mini white stocking, which I think is so cute. Both of these were $1 to $3. And then I also love decorating with some holiday food, so got some candy canes in there just to add a little something. Of course, getting some holiday food is pretty inexpensive to decorate with. By that I also mean getting stuff like this from the Target Wonder Shop is awesome. They have, I saw this year, a whole section with candy and hot cocoa mixes that are not only cute but edible, of course. So I got these mini house gingerbread kits. I thought these were perfect for a dorm room because they're mini little houses, and so we haven't made ours yet. One is for our suite mates, one is for Skylar and I. But whenever we do make them, they will be perfect to sit out as decoration as well. And then over here we have our advent calendar. Of course, you can put this up anywhere you want. This would also be super cute on your door if you like putting decorations on your door. But yeah, this is just a nice touch to hang up somewhere in your room. And if you don't have somewhere to hang it, like here, you can just use some of those command strips and hang it anywhere on your walls. So an awesome, pretty much free way to decorate your room throughout the year, but also during the holiday season, is getting free printables you can find on Pinterest or just Google Images and just print them out. If you want to be really fancy, you can use laminate paper or regular paper and just find a clipboard, put them on your wall with command strips, whatever you want to do, but it's a easy way to decorate.
It's not good to stay at home at Christmas alone and feel sorry for yourself. Maybe it's time to move on.
I am just not ready to.
So that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a like and let me know if you're decorating your dorm room or just your bedroom this holiday season. I honestly miss my home decorations. Like, I had 2 to 3 trees just in my room, but you know, it's gonna be okay. We'll get there again someday. Oh, also let me know what videos you guys want to see this holiday season. I want to make sure, if I'm not doing a ton, to do the ones you guys want. And so holiday gift guide, that's all coming, but I want to know what else you guys want to see. Okay, love you guys so much. Bye. Peace out.